Okay, we're just working on the LS and the Firebird. Currently we got this fuel rail off because we are playing with the tune-up, and then we had two cylinders that were not running good. They didn't have as much temp as the other cylinders. We're using the heat gun to check them. Use the snap-on heat gun, and we're putting it down on all the headers like that, checking every cylinder. The two cylinders that all the plugs were black, and then all of a sudden these two cylinders, the electrodes were cleaning them, and the thing was running rough, so we're trying to figure out what was going on. Seemed like we had, well, we did have spark, and it seemed like the injectors were actually working, but we decided to pull them right out because we were seeing something funny on our HP tuner on the fuel trims. So I pulled them out, swapped them, and sure enough, it was the injector itself was plugged. So I took one apart, cleaned it up, put it back in, we got it working. So I just took the second one apart and tapped on it, and this is what you see we got out of it. This will come out of that one. So probably when guy builds lines and stuff, residue inside the lines. But now we'll spray some stuff through it and we'll put it back in, and then we'll see if this one will work. But we're just tapping on it, and then we'll take a hammer and bang on the side, just a little body hammer, and tap on the side. I like to use one with a little hook because I can hook around there when it's on the car and running. But we'll tap on it, and we'll run some cleaner through it, just anything. Spray some WD-40 or a sensor cleaner through it, and then we'll try it again.